Let's tell you about the fight for justice for the women of Sandeshkhali. From Britain to B-Town, the fight for justice for these victims is resonating across all quarters. Celebrated filmmaker and producer Ekta Kapoor has rendered her support to the victims of Sandeshkhali by posting the hashtag #StandForSandeshkhali. This after she quote-tweeted the video of a law student, Nabiha Zama. The student in this video has urged women to speak up against the horrors perpetrated on the women of Sandeshkhali. Meanwhile, in London too, members of the Indian diaspora also came together to protest against Sheikh Shahjahan. They held placards that read, "We are watching with shame. West Bengal police, please protect the women of Sandeshkhali and protect the women of West Bengal." Now let's tell you what's happening in the state of West Bengal. The West Bengal government on its part has moved the Calcutta High Court seeking permission to file an FIR against Shubhendu Adhikari for making provocative comments on the Sandeshkhali incident. The matter has been raised in Justice J. Sen Gupta's bench and is likely to be heard virtually. We'll get our reporter Adrija and Shreya is joining us live. Shreya, first of all, tell us about this case that the Bengal government has moved the Calcutta High Court for, where they are seeking permission to arrest leader of opposition in the Bengal Assembly, Shubhendu Adhikari.
Of course, we see the state government moving to the Calcutta High Court, which is to be heard virtually today. Remember, before this, we saw when a BJP delegation was en route to Sandeshkhali. Remember, they were stopped in Dhamakali for some time, where we saw that there was a war of words between the BJP leadership and the police personnel who were present there. Now, allegedly, Shubhendu Adhikari have made a Khalistani remark to one of the police officer who was on duty. Now, of course, we saw the Sikh community after that coming out in protest of this incident. In fact, Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee condemned the incident, taking to her X handle. Also, the TMC have strongly criticized this kind of comment. Now, when it comes to the BJP or Shubhendu Adhikari, he clearly have said that he has made no such comment.
Right.
But on the other hand, we see TMC condemning it, taking out protests in regards to it, and also the Sikh community.
All right, so let's also tell you now the statement and the defense that's coming in from the Trinamool Congress with regards to Sheikh Shahjahan. TMC General Secretary Abhishek Banerjee has posted excerpts from High Court's earlier order in Sheikh Shahjahan's case, which stated, now this excerpt from the High Court order stated that West Bengal State Police shall also be restrained from proceeding with investigation in the cases which have been registered by them. Abhishek Banerjee says in a tweet, and I quote, "BJP and anti-Bengal media reap the true benefits of this embargo like true opportunists." He also used the term chronology and said that this stay came on the 7th of February. Violence and vilification began on the following day. So that's a counter coming in from the Trinamool Congress. Listen in to TMC's Shantanu Sen.
Sandeshkhali issue was mostly a concocted, motivated and orchestrated story. BJP along with CPIM, with the help of outsiders, they were creating a narrative against state government to malign state government. If you see the chronology, on 7th, court issued a stay order on the investigation which was being done by police. And from 8th onwards, violence started. BJP state president, BJP leader of the opposition, BJP MLA, one by one, and the BJP activists in the name of several commissions. They were going to Sandeshkhali, they were trying to create a narrative because their prime target was to keep this issue alive till our publicity master Prime Minister comes to West Bengal.
So the Trinamool Congress there is saying that this embargo by the High Court on the 7th was used to reap political benefits because the BJP, as per the Trinamool Congress, has put Sandeshkhali on the boil. Meanwhile, Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Vishnu Deosai has also written a letter to Bengal Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee and has sought justice for the victims of Sandeshkhali. In his letter, he says that the tribal women of Sandeshkhali have complained of harassment and torture. The scheduled caste panel's report on Sandeshkhali is horrifying. For politics of appeasement and for votes to put the lives of tribals is unacceptable. He also said that Mamta Banerjee must act against Shah Jahan and must expose his political masters. BJP too now is accusing the Mamta government of protecting Sheikh Shahjahan. Listen into some reactions that's coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party.
This is testimony that Shahjahan is actually the Badshah of the Trinamool Congress. He is being protected and saved, just like the Badshah is saved in the game of chess by the Trinamool Congress. 50 days plus, Trinamool Congress government and its police has been unable to catch Shahjahan, but they can catch journalists who are reporting on Sandeshkhali. They can catch the fact-finding team which is trying to reach Sandeshkhali. They can catch MPs like Locket Chatterjee. They can beat up Sukanta Majumdar, they can harass Karyakartas, they can shame the victims, but they cannot catch Shahjahan Sheikh. And Kunal Ghosh's statement makes it amply clear that Trinamool Congress has actually kept him in a safe location.
Mr. Shahjahan Sheikh evidently is enjoying a lot of support from the Trinamool Congress and its administration in West Bengal. The very fact that he is not traceable confirms that somewhere or the other the police is not being permitted to do its job. The Honorable High Court has made it clear that there is no protection on him. So there is nothing that prevents his arrest.
We have breaking news coming in. This is with regards to the Calcutta High Court, which has now allowed the West Bengal BJP unit to hold its sitting dharna or demonstration on the 28th and 29th of February under the statue of Mahatma Gandhi in Kolkata. Earlier, the BJP went to court because it claimed that the Bengal police has not allowed it to carry out its dharna in Mayo Road. The BJP said that they were not given any permission to hold this dharna. In fact, the High Court has gone on to say that the BJP will not be allowed to use any loudspeakers. They will not be allowed to assemble in more than 150. The number that the High Court has allowed is no more than 150 demonstrators. Even petitioner, who is Sukanta Majumdar, he has to ensure that there will be no unlawful activity. This is coming in from the High Court. We have Adrija joining us live. Adrija, first tell our viewers about this petition that was filed by the BJP in the High Court and with regards to which case. At this point of time, the Calcutta High Court is going on and giving permission to the BJP to carry out its demonstration on the 28th, which is tomorrow, and on the 29th at the Mahatma Gandhi statue. Tell us more about the case. Adrija, if you are with us on the phone line, take our viewers through the details of this case for which the Calcutta High Court has given the BJP permission to carry out its demonstration at the near the Mahatma Gandhi statue in Kolkata on the 28th and 29th.
Well, yes, you see, the Calcutta High Court today have given permission for the BJP to carry on their sit-in demonstration at Mahatma Gandhi statue in Kolkata. However, the Calcutta High Court have mentioned that the petitioner, which happens to be the state president, Sukanta Majumdar, have to take responsibility for any unlawful activities that take place during the demonstration. And at the same time, no loudspeakers will be allowed while the demonstration is on. It has to be peaceful, and not more than 150 people can be accommodated by the BJP. However, the state have said that earlier the permission was denied because already 2 demonstrations at the same location is going on. But the Calcutta High Court have ordered for 2 days of sit-in demonstration by the BJP in the Sandeshkhali matter, and the timing is also restricted from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and no loudspeakers will be allowed, and no unlawful activities.
So, Adrija, if you could also tell our viewers, is this the same case where the BJP had earlier declared that they will hold a 72-hour dharna seeking the arrest of Sheikh Shahjahan, and they weren't given permission to carry out their demonstration in Kolkata's Mayo Road, and this is the same case that you're talking to us about?
Well, yes, this is the same case that I'm talking to you about, and the demonstration was supposed to start from Monday, from Monday to Wednesday. However, the dates have been changed now, and the permission has been granted for Wednesday and Thursday, that is 28th and 29th of February. And earlier it was supposed to be a 72-hour dharna, but now the timings are also restricted, and the number of days has also been reduced to 2 days from 3 days.